Clear Broad, North Dallas, 22 Audi Avant, full wrap Xpel Ultimate Plus on this Nardo Gray, and a ceramic coating over the top of that, full paint correction. And let's go over this RS6 real quick and just show you what we did. So, like always, making sure that everything gets wrapped in. So fender, hood, all wrapped in, nice and clear, nice and clean. This bumper, various areas are done in the black. The carbon fiber's done down below. Headlights, obviously, coming around this side here, getting more of it done, wrapped in underneath the wheel wells, what we can. The bumper wasn't able to be wrapped in, but the fender was. There's not a lot of room in there, so to put 16 mil in there is crazy. Coming around up here, again, all wrapped, and the corners are wrapped on the fender and on the hood. The A-pillar fully wrapped behind this windshield molding, and then fully wrapped inside of the door area, so there is no seams. Coming back around here, everything's nicely done and trimmed in. Everything's looking good. Everything's great, all under the moldings, all in the doors, all under the handles. The fuel port area fully wrapped in. Nothing sticking out, no lines around it. So everything here is designed to look as if nothing's on the car. All our carbon fiber down below is done. Our black strip up here is done. And coming around this way, here's our quarter coming in, all in one section, all the way to the front of the car, no seaming, all done in one piece. And our bottom of our rear quarter coming into the door, fully wrapped in down below, wrapped into the door, wrapped under the wheel well. Again, no markings, everything's nice and clear, all the way through our doors. And there it is, again, coming in on our front door, rear door, both doors back here, everything's wrapped in. So, 22 RS6 Avant, fully wrapped, clear bra by the Xpel product line, Ultimate Plus. Any questions, clearbrawnorthdallas.com, or you can call me at 940-703-8301 for any estimates or questions on your vehicle. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.